3 mind relaxing points you could massage before bed to let go of any stress and anxiety. You could use a stress oil, a neroli, or a menthol based oil. Inhale the aromas of the oil. Take the oil mid forehead, right above your eye. There are the relaxation points. Massage those and your third eye for 60 seconds. You could also use a face reflexology tool or a pencil to amplify the results. Once you've massaged these 3 points for the length of 60 seconds, start with a circular ear massage, all over your ear in a circular motion, pulling and tugging, releasing any stress that you tend to store. The SJ20 point is also a storage point where we tend to store a lot of anxiety and stress. Press this point, giving it a circular massage 3 times clockwise, 3 times anti-clockwise. Drain. Be healthy, stay safe.